Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be talking about Milwaukee hand tools. So we're going to go into my thoughts, and then I want you guys to share your thoughts on Milwaukee hand tools. Now, to start off, we all know, or a majority of us know, that Milwaukee is just killing the cordless power tool game. I mean, they have great deals, great prices, and they're just all around great cordless power tools. I have this plus an impact driver and a drill, and the fuel stuff is killer. I can't speak as far as their normal lineup, don't really use it. I figured if I'm gonna go Milwaukee, I'm gonna get the best that I can. There we go, get some better lighting in here. So before we get into this, if you're new, please let me know what you guys think. Hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below of what you guys think of this and the video quality and everything. And if you're new, please hit the subscribe button. Other than that, my personal thoughts on Milwaukee hand tools, besides the power tools and stuff like that. Okay, so you got killer power tools or cordless power tools, and there's no reason not to get into the other side of the game making hand tools. But for goodness sake, like, a majority of your hand tools are ridiculously expensive for what they are. It's not like you got much of anything made in the USA, yet you're charging prices as if they were. Plus, like, to me, Milwaukee's kind of newer into the hand tools, and even though you have the right to sell your power tools at a higher price because they are well known and people love them, does not necessarily give you the right to sell your hand tools that are not, you know, above everybody else at a price that's the same as higher brands or higher price than a lot of other brands out there. I mean, most of their stuff is China and Taiwan, which we all know, or a majority of us know, Taiwan is pretty decent stuff nowadays, but China, it's hit or miss. But just some examples I'm going to give, and I'll try and throw some pictures up in here. The ratcheting wrench sets, whether it's SAE or metric, they range from $175 to $220, depending on where you look for them at. A 3/8 socket set, depending on the size, can range up to $180 for, like, I think it was, I saw a 50-something piece set. That's a lot of money for a 50-something piece set. It's just not there. The ratchets to me seem very similar to the DeWalt ones I had, very big and bulky, nothing special. The regular combination wrenches aren't as bad, about 120 to 170 depending on the size set. And then I saw a 7-piece nut driver set, you know, nut driver like this, but obviously a nut driver end. 7-piece set for $70. And if I remember correctly, I think they're China. Correct me if I'm wrong, they might be Taiwan, but either way, $70 for a nut driver set that aren't used all that often, depending on what you do. That's quite a bit of money, where you can find many other brands for much better prices and the same quality, if not maybe a little bit better. I saw a lot of pipe wrenches, people buying them, very disappointed in them. I mean, their pipe wrenches range from $30 for the small ones and $80 to $150 for the medium-sized ones, and then upwards of $350 for the large, when there are a lot of USA-made brands out there for the same price, if not a little bit cheaper, and are absolutely amazing. So moving on, I saw a 3/8 drive SAE 12-piece socket set, part number 48229000. Once again, I'll try and throw some pictures up in here. For $70. It's a 12-piece SAE socket set for $70. You're out of your mind. And then just various pliers and stuff from them. Their locking pliers I actually really enjoy. I didn't get the comfort grip because they're extremely bulky, but they're decently priced. But a lot of them are $20 to $60, and anytime I see any pliers for $60 that aren't Knipex or channel lock or snap-on, you know, I'm immediately disregarding the pliers and going to look at Knipex, channel lock, or snap-on, because for that same price I can get those really well known, very, very nice pliers for that price. So those are just a few examples, but my own personal thoughts: Milwaukee, you got to come down on the prices of the hand tools, because you're asking way too much for what they are. I'm not saying they're bad tools. I'm just saying, just because you make a great power tool does not mean you can try and sell your hand tools for a high price like that. A lot of people just aren't going to buy it, and the ones that do quickly find out that they might have spent a little bit more money than they want to for the quality of tool that they're receiving. But that doesn't mean they don't have good deals out there. They do have a lot of good deals as well on some hand tools. You just got to look for it. Like, these kits are usually really good, and smaller things, you know, I find good deals on for decently priced. I think this was under $20 for the two-piece striking screwdrivers. Not that I use a striking cap on a screwdriver all that often, but you know, it was a good price, so I picked it up. And just miscellaneous little things. I mean, these are great. I mean, they still do have good hand tools for good prices, but there's still a lot out there that are ridiculously high, my personal opinion. Please let me know your guys' thoughts on the Milwaukee hand tools. But that's basically all I have. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please, once again, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Make sure to let me know what you guys think. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.